XWY. If you haven't watched any of my other tutorial videos, this is just going to be a quick tutorial on worlds. I'm just going to use one of my uh, old terraforming maps from a while ago from Planet Minecraft. If you want to check that out for whatever reason, it says 3567 up there. I don't know, but anyway, yeah. If you want to check that out. Yeah. So I already went ahead and downloaded this. So you're gonna get a zip because it's Mediafire and I put it in a zip. If you get a RAR, you're gonna go ahead and if I can find, here we go. Double click it to open it if you don't already have. If you have WinRAR already, if you don't, go ahead and go download it. It's pretty much free. It tells you to buy it, but it's free. But yeah. So if you have WinRAR, you're gonna click this extract to, and then just pretty much click OK. And then I'm gonna show it real quick for zip. Gonna extract all, but if you have a server on MC Pro hosting and stuff like that, you're gonna wanna, after you unzip this, you're gonna wanna go find that folder and then zip that. So let me just find a folder real quick and send to compressed folder. Boom. And then you're gonna just upload that to your hosting company. FTP file access. But if you have a zip and this is on your laptop or PC, I keep saying laptop because I'm on a laptop, but if you're on your PC, you're going to go ahead and click extract all. Go ahead and extract that, and then you're going to, let me see. All right, so you're going to go ahead and copy this folder. It's here. Go on over to your server folder and paste. So after you do that, you're going to go into server properties and change the world name. Can't find it. I can find it. Level name. Alright, whatever the heck the name of that file was. So you need to match this right here with this. And then go ahead and save that file, close it, and start up your server. Just gonna wait for the server to load up real quick. There we go. Oh wait, I changed the port. Forgot. There we go. Alright, so I'm on the world. And it's gonna say welcome XWY to the server due to the fact that we added essentials last time and I hadn't rejoined since I added it. You can change this in the essentials config, which I'll have in a essentials video. But yeah, so that's basically how to add custom worlds if you're on a laptop or PC. Now, if you're on a website, it's going to be a little different of a process. You're going to want to go ahead and there isn't really a global way I can tell you how to do this. I can tell you the general way of how to do this. All right, so basically right here, I'm gonna go in and go in the MC Pro hosting console and show you guys how to do it on there. It's not gonna be the same for all of the consoles on the internet, like Aquatis, Virtual Gladiator. They're all gonna be different probably. They're all gonna be based around the same thing, but most of all, it's probably gonna be multi-craft and for the most part the same buttons. So anyway, there is something called FTP file access, which is where you can access the files of your server as if it was a server hosted on your desktop or laptop or something. Um, there's also parts where the main menu panel where you have your world selector and whatnot, that's going to be mostly the same, although the features are going to be different. But yeah, so here's a part for hosting online. All right, so I'm at the MC Pro hosting panel. It's not going to be the same for all the websites, but I'm just trying to go off general here. Um, you're going to go to FTP file access, and yes, it says Jake Randallcraft because Jake, yeah. Okay, so basically, you're gonna want to go ahead, and if there's an upload file button, click that, or if the server or FTP accepts dragging and dropping, do that too. I prefer dragging and dropping because, yeah. But anyway, so I'm just gonna cancel this because there's already a zip in here to show you an example. To unzip. So this is after you've uploaded your world and whatnot. So you're just going to want to unzip it. And then once you've done that, archive unzipped perfectly. All right, so if you open it and it says something like, oh no, not create new file, new folder. That's something like, let me just make an example because I was helping someone before. And okay. I was helping somebody move stuff or do a world before, but it didn't exactly. It wasn't the easiest process due to the fact that it was zipped strangely. Now there we go. So say if you open your world and then it has the world again, and then you have all your data, you're going to want to select everything and then move it all. So there's probably going to be a move button somewhere. And then you're going to see the path. So path is like a tree. The bottom branch where all the branches start to branch off is the root folder, which is this little slash. So once we go in one folder, which was the first one, we have that. But then that's basically, well, once we've opened that folder, it just shows world again, because that's the only folder in there. So it's world a second time. We're going to have to move all of this stuff back one of those world folders so that the server can handle it correctly. It might work in some cases if you have it in the second folder, but a lot of the time it doesn't. So just wanted to show you that just in case that happens. And then you're going to, of course, have to go into your server properties, just like you did on, not like you did, but like I did on my desktop server. And then you're going to want to change the world if I can ever find it, because I always lose it. Fixed. All right, you're going to change that to the name of the folder that you unzipped. So that what the folder is named in the root, where the branches start to branch off. So that's basically it. You'll have to restart your server. Some of them might also have this option where you can change the world from a list. And you might have to add a world name like, I don't know, frickin' XWY. And then you can switch to that, save, and then restart your server and it'll make a world called XWY, or if you added one and whatnot. So that's a more trying to be general tutorial on how to do it on a website hosting. So that'll be basically it for this episode. If you liked, leave a like. If you want to say something, leave a comment. If you have a question, message me on Discord. I'll leave my Discord in the description. And that's about it. Have a great rest of your day.